Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So what is the timeline for Windows 11? When is this going to arrive to a computer? Well, it depends, of course, how you're going to get Windows 11. First step, if you are an insider this coming week, around Tuesday or Wednesday, June 28th, 29th, something like that, there will be a Windows Insider build for Dev Channel. So insiders are going to start testing it in a few days from now. Then it's going to be Windows 10 for a lot of people for a long time, because Microsoft stated that Windows 11 is going to be available on brand new PCs holiday of 2021. So that means around Christmas of this year, Windows 11 PCs will show up in the stores. At that time, they, of course, are using the same wording as we had before. Seekers will start seeing it on Windows Update. So that's the way it's going to be. It's not arriving before Christmas for anybody, except the insiders will be testing it. The seekers, well, they're people that go and check Windows Update, so that's the basics of it. But for the majority of people, the Windows 11 operating system, if you want it and download it, will be arriving possibly early 2022. So it's not going to be this fall, it's going to be almost pretty much this winter that Windows 11 is going to be available. Winter in Northern Hemisphere, of course. December, January. That's when things are going to start to kick in with Windows 11. Until then, those that want to play around with it, try it. There's the Insider program where you can put yourself in the Dev Channel. Don't do it now. Wait until it's finally released for insiders. And for those that are not compatible, if you still want to play around with it, the Insider program has an exception to the rules. You will be able, even if you're not compatible, to test Windows 11 still. But what's going to happen is that when the official release happens, if your computer is not compatible, you'll be returned back to Windows 10. So that's the timeline. Around Christmas for PCs with Windows 11 and for seekers to start seeing it in Windows Update. But for a lot of people, it'll be 2022 before we really start getting Windows 11 into high gear and people are going to download it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.